Before you ever spoke a word, before you ever made a choice, before you ever knew the difference between right and wrong, something was already alive inside you. Something quiet, something steady, something that rises up when no one is watching and whispers, "This is the way, walk in it." That something is your conscience, and it did not come from evolution, instinct, or biology. It came from God Himself. In the beginning, when the Lord formed man from the dust of the ground, the body lay silent, perfectly shaped, but lifeless. Then God leaned in and breathed His own breath into that frame. In that moment, something more than biology awakened. Spirit entered flesh. Identity entered form. And the conscience, that inner witness, was born from the breath of God. Your conscience is not a chemical reaction. It is not the byproduct of a brain learning rules. It is the echo of the God who made you. It is the imprint of His moral nature stamped onto your inner life. Even before you knew Scripture, before you heard a sermon, before you understood sin, something inside you already recognized the difference between darkness and light. That is because the one who is light wrote His law on the human heart. Every time you feel the weight of guilt, every time you sense the pull toward what is right, every time you wrestle with a decision no one else will ever see, your conscience is testifying that you are more than matter, more than cells, more than instinct. You are a spiritual being living in a physical body, carrying a moral awareness that no animal possesses and no machine can imitate. The conscience is God's internal courtroom. It does not save you, but it warns you. It does not regenerate you, but it alerts you. It is the smoke alarm of the soul, not the fire extinguisher. It cannot cleanse you, but it can convict you. And when it speaks, it is reminding you that you were made for someone greater than yourself. There are moments in life when the conscience grows loud, when the heart burns, when the mind is unsettled, when the spirit feels exposed. Those moments are not accidents. They are invitations. God is calling you back to alignment with Him. He is reminding you that you were created in His image, and that image still speaks. And there are other moments, darker ones, when a person can silence that voice. When they push it down, ignore it, override it, until the conscience grows dull. Scripture calls it seared, like flesh burned until it loses feeling. But even then, the conscience does not disappear. It lies beneath the surface, waiting for the breath of God to awaken it again. Your conscience is proof that you are not alone inside your own skin. It is proof that you were designed for relationship with the God who formed you. It is proof that morality is not a human invention but a divine imprint. And it is proof that eternity is written into your very being. You have a conscience because God wanted you to know Him. You have a conscience because you were made in His image. You have a conscience because you are not just biology, you are spirit, soul, and body. And the voice inside you is the reminder that the one who made you is still calling you home. If these messages are strengthening you, make sure you're subscribed and tap the bell so you're notified the moment the next teaching releases. And if this spoke to you, like, share, and drop a comment below. It helps this truth reach the people who need it.